The upgrade we're looking at today is your sink faucet and your exterior shower on the Cirrus 620. The 620, if you hadn't noticed, has a lot of plastic parts, and this is the exterior shower on the 620. It's a 4-inch faucet. We used it about 2 years, and you can see right here the handle just snapped off, and then the back threading cracked, which leaked water all into our unit. And we're replacing it with a G Sunny 4-inch RV shower that is all metal. This is a high quality product from G Sunny. Came very well packed, good directions, clear what you need to do. It came with all of the washers that may be needed, as well as the tools, the 3/4 and the 1/2-inch quick disconnects that go right in here to what will connect our shower. It's got a nice feel to all of the handles and the operation of them. Put them side by side and really is no comparison. This plastic lasted 2 years. Keep an eye on it in your unit. It's going to have to be replaced at some point. I had to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fittings just to get out 8, 9 with the faucet. Just to get out the external shower. So I just wanted to show you here where the plastic outdoor shower sat. This cracked over the winter. Not sure if it was from lack of antifreeze in there, but we're just going to slide this in. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and start doing all of the interior. The hot was, actually, yeah, the hot was over here. Okay, so now we'll go to the interior and we'll start doing the tabs and screws that go right on the back here. They're going to spin on in each location. So it looks pretty easy so far till you get to the interior. So this is the system in the Cirrus 620, and just to get the faucets out, I had to remove basically the back of this whole system here as I've unscrewed it so I can get all the way down to where the fittings are. And it's going to be a struggle to get these in, but we're going to start the process. Okay, here's the new faucet we're going to install here. And the main reason is, here's how the old one was set up. This did not pivot at all out of the way. So you can see here, I can fit a sink or a pot so big underneath it. It really was a pain in the ass and a horrible design decision. That's what they did. The quality of the faucet they used is nice, but to swivel out of the way is key here, and we'll see that when we get this new one put in. So the install is not too bad. This was the mess when we had to redo the exterior faucet, which is buried under all 9 of these lines. I had to disconnect all of these just to get to the faucet. So the faucet's in now, and what we're looking at is now we're just going to install. The hot is right here, and the cold is right back here. So we're going to drop our faucet in through here, and then connect to the two that you can see, the cold and the hot. So let's get started. All right, so the issue we have, these are the new standard, goes kind of like under your sink to connect to a faucet. Well, this is what we have here on this system. So I'm going to need to go and get an adapter so that I can screw them onto here. Okay, so here's the solution. We have a 1/2 inch here going out to a 3/8, and it kind of does two things for us. So that now gives us a shut off for the faucet. So we'll go ahead and get this installed. So as you can see here, I've enlisted some help. My son Hunter came out and he's helped me try to track down a leak. And the nice thing about these valves is I was able to install the valves, get them, made sure they're closed off, and then we pressure checked the system. We filled the tanks, we got everything going, and noticed there was a leak. So again, pulled the valves back off, added some rubber gaskets, and then re-Tefloned them and installed them. After the second attempt, we got it. And this is just getting the faucet in place now. Here is the finished install, the upgraded faucet, and you can see why we did this one. Pretty no-brainer. The old faucet was about this much lower and it didn't move. It was fixed in position. So when you wanted to put a pot in the sink, it wouldn't even fit. This is just so simple. Why the factory would not do this in such a small unit. So there's the new faucet installed. Here's the cheap plastic that was here. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. And as always, come back and check out a few more videos with us.